The story of Curt Maggitt is one of elite talent and unbreakable resilience. At William T. Dwyer High School, he was a three-sport standout, leading the football team to a 2010 state championship as the Defensive Player of the Year. At the University of Tennessee, he made history as one of the first true freshmen to start at linebacker, eventually recording 11 sacks in a single season. Despite 7 surgeries for injuries like a torn ACL and a fractured hip, Curt remained a mentor and leader, earning the Al Wilson Leadership Award. After playing for the Indianapolis Colts and Saskatchewan Roughriders, he transitioned into a new chapter focused on service. After earning his MBA, he launched the Edge Foundation to mentor youth through financial literacy, technology, and career development. Curt consistently demonstrates the values of hard work and service, proving that a leader's impact is measured by how they uplift others. And now, he is Palm Beach County Sports Hall of Famer, Curt Maggitt.
Overly grateful, I would say, and one, coming from Palm Beach, everyone knows how dominant sports is, and football specifically. And I don't know, man, it's emotional because, you know, we started playing the game when we were 6 years old, and it's so much we hope to achieve, and the journey takes its own route. And to leave an impact that's memorable forever, and I like to see it beyond the athlete and beyond what I accomplish on the field. And so, one, to be recognized a part of a special group, to see my dad, my old coaches, and having people come, that's where my heart is. So it's an amazing opportunity.